Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Looking to clear your search history on YouTube? In this video, I will guide you through the steps to delete your search history on the YouTube mobile app. Let's go. YouTube has made some updates to its interface, but the core process of deleting your search history remains relatively straightforward. Here's how to delete YouTube's search history on your mobile phone. Open the YouTube app and ensure you're logged into your account. Then tap your profile picture. This is usually located in the lower left corner of the screen. Now go to Settings by tapping the gear icon. Navigate to the Manage All History section and look for the Delete button. You have a choice between Delete Today, Delete Custom Range, or Delete All Time. If you want to completely clean up your YouTube history, select the last. You'll get a pop-up confirming that you want to delete your history and offering some examples of what will be deleted. If you're sure, select Delete. Another pop-up will confirm that your data is being deleted and will include a link explaining exactly how and how fast your data will be removed. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.